Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are here for the first time, a warm welcome, and I do hope you like this video. Today we will be making this amazing black beans balls. It is super delicious and very healthy for you. If you guys are tired of meat, this is a great option. So here I have some sauteed onion and multicolored bell pepper, well seasoned. I have some black beans. I do have some dehydrated black beans as well, which I pulsed into this powdered form right here. I do have some cashew nuts, and that's all you need. We're going to put everything in this food processor here and pulse it until it is really nice and smooth. Here you go, and this is what it looks like. I actually made this amazing burger. The link will be in the description box from this very mixture. So now we are going to roll our mixture into this really nice balls. Now you can choose the size you want. All right, this is what I chose, and that was the patty I made for that burger you saw earlier. So to a preheated pan, you're going to add some grapeseed oil, and I'm going to cook out some tomato paste. Then I'm going to add some onion, ginger, garlic, some multicolored bell peppers, carrots, and some green onions and some sun-dried tomato. Cook this down for anywhere around 4 minutes. Then you're going to add your coconut milk. Taste and adjust the seasoning here to your likeness and taste. And now we are going to add the balls to the broth, and this is a tomato paste coconut broth. I added some tomatoes for freshness and color, the same with the parsley. Guys, this was super delicious. Allow this to simmer for like 20 minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes on medium low. All right, and it's done. That's it. Now you can serve over some rice, which I did. You can serve over potatoes, spaghettis, whatever. But this right here, OMG, it is super delicious. All right, so please go make this. Again, if you guys are new here and you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Love you guys. Bye-bye.